start with the word Ayurveda. How do you define the word Ayurveda? Yes. How many of you are aware? The Google? Yes. Ayur meaning life. Veda meaning, how do you define knowledge, wisdom? Yes. So the word literally means life, wisdom, but most people understand this to be the medical system in India. This is the ancient Indian medicine, the pile of informations and knowledge that is very, very, very detailed as a medical system. People study for 5.5 years and more with the practice and trainings here in India, like homeopathy 5 years. Ayurveda is another 5.5 years that people study here as a course. So it's a very detailed medical system that many people are aware of. Maybe some of you consulted or had some therapies. Anybody? Anybody had any Ayurvedic therapies as such? Just Ayurvedic massage? Yes? Yes. Yeah, how is it? More oil? Yes. It is a very serious medical system with 6 branches. It has 6 branches. A branch is dedicated for psychology. A branch is dedicated for gynecology and obstetrics. One whole department is for surgery. Thousands of years back, people understood there are a lot of conditions of a human being which needs a surgical corrections or surgical treatments. And without proper antibiotics, without proper anesthesia, like we have today with the technologies, people try to remove things. Dentistry work, rhinoplastic works, in the hemorrhoids, in the piles. You can see many, many tumors that people removed also. But how successful it is questionable and discussed. But without any technology that we have today to save lives, is it true that surgical department is very valuable today in the modern medicine too? Saving people's life from C-section to literally many more people are alive because of this. And Ayurvedic medicine has a department dedicated for surgeries. So what do you understand from that? They want to do the right thing to the body. That's it. As a medicine, these are human beings intellectually understanding the body, and they want to do the right thing to the right person for the right condition. So it's not right to think Ayurveda is just herbs, modern medicine is different. If you want to do the right thing to the body, that is Ayurveda. Can you understand this? So that's how it's supposed to be. That's how it is also. But most of us tend to think it's herbs or not very relevant to today's time. You can put the whole modern medicine within Ayurveda too, if I the surgical department and all that. But yes, there are some differences philosophically. Is it true the modern medicine stops with that which is physical? You see the physical aspect of who you are. The modern medicine stops with that which is physical. But Ayurveda continues to be your energies and your consciousness aspects of who you are. So that's the difference. Ayurveda is something little bit more wholesome, we say, holistic and also more wholesome. It starts working on the root cause, we think, to the philosophies of 5 elements, the energies of your body, stimulating your immunity, strengthening your sexuality. There's a whole department called Vajikarna to strengthen one's sexuality as such. So you can look for this department called Vajikarna. This is not our topic, but I'm just giving you the idea that it has 6 branches. You can find these informations everywhere. Our topic is today's 5 elements. We will go in a bit of a time. But before that, defining this word Ayurveda one more time. Ayur means life. Yes? Ayu, Ayush, Ayul, Ayur, all means life. How do you define life a little more? What is life? Can you define it? Is a tree alive? Yes, is tree alive? Yes. A mosquito? Is a rat, human beings, a rock? Yes? Yes, we cannot break rocks now? Yes. In this aspect, anything that breathes, anything that eats, anything that moves is a life. Can define life a little more, you will come to movement. You can call it functioning. Functioning is a movement too. Can you see? Heart is beating. Beat is function. Function is also a movement. You say breathing is life. Breathing is a movement. Can you see at the soul of it, if you want to define the word life in any aspect, I hope it comes to the movement. If things are moving, it is life. Movement always for a particular time. Is it true? Life means has a time. It will not be a life anymore after that. So things die. So life before death is life. That's one way to define it. What is life now? Movement in time, in space is better defined to be life. Very simply, life means I'm finding food, things are moving, lot of things are moving, and one day it will stop moving. A dead body, no movement, not a life. Heartbeat, things moving inside the cell, outside the cell, no movement, all the movement stops. You call this dead. It's not a life anymore. In that aspect we are defining. I hope you come to this one word in a simple way. Life means movement. Movement, wisdom. How should I live? That wisdom is Ayurveda. Can you see? So any 1 month, 2 month, 3 month courses of Ayurveda, we can do the lifestyle so deep. Not enough to be a therapist or a practitioner of it. This is a very short time to understand the topics of Ayurveda within such a short